Benelli TNT 600. Dual exhaust pipe. Yang bising gila nak mampus. So you saw this bike basically at night. So now this is in the day. And also I'm testing out this one. Yeah, I finally got my DJI Mic 2. Yeah, I gotta put this on. So basically, okay, start all over again. So this is the TNT Benelli 600. It's a heavy ass bike. So I got this from a friend of mine. This exhaust here are like marching trumpets. That's crazy. You can actually look it up online, what's the specs. And oh my god, I just noticed this. Was that a crack? These are like wide ass tires. Okay, 600cc. So what's the main issue? That's what, you know, a friend of mine has asked me to look into, to do some analysis. Why do you have like cable ties here? Okay, got a crash guard. So I tested this out last night. Brake seems fine. Back brake seems a bit weak. That needs to be adjusted. Yeah, I'm a big fan of the back brakes. Front brakes not so much. I mean, it works, but not so much. These are like huge upside down forks. Pretty cool. 4 inline. So one of the thing is like, yeah, that seems to be a bit broken off and whatnot, really, in that sense. Okay. Another aspect to look into is this one here, which is insanely tight. Definitely not traffic friendly to be ridden. To ride, I suppose, in that sense. Well, anyway, it is what it is. So, alright. One thing I like the fact that, you know, the key is here, where I'm so accustomed to the key to put it here and stuff. So what was modified is that, you know, you have actually the gear number here changes. Right. Another thing is this basically this stand sensor here is a little bit. Wait, can you see it? Yeah, this one here. That's a bit iffy. Changing gears to neutral, a little bit difficult. The chain seems a bit dry. So I'll be taking this for a ride in the next few days. Upcoming ride as well, since my CB4 ain't ready. Big ass tank. Okay, let's go for a ride. Okay. Alright. Yeah, it's low on petrol. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Checking back brakes, yeah, it works, sort of. At 3,000 RPM, starts to jerk. Gotta check that out. Don't know what in the world is wrong. Not so responsive. It's all right. right, there's a bit of a lag. god, the handle is stiff as shit. Woo-hoo-hoo. Definitely not the condition I want to ride during traffic jam. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Low revs is alright. High revs is good. Tested it out last night. Mid-range is crap. So I want to make a... Oh, no car behind. Great. Capture also can beat me. Walao eh. Kalau anti balls. Abang Leng Cai. Tak berasa sibuk kerja tu. God damn. Ada. Dah hijau lagi lah kita mau lalu. Walau. It does have a nice torque, but then again, it is 600cc. Not too bad. For 4 cylinders, what do you expect? Oh my god. Ada. Baru second gear. Front brakes are strong, back brakes are weak. There we go. Domina. Zousan si tau. Domina 400. 250. Oh, Domina 250 also got ah. Domina 250 pun ada ah. Alright. So aside from the 400, they have the 250. Stop record. Kabel dia keras sangat. Lepas tu dia macam apa, dia release ah. Banyak cepat tu. You buka sikit sudah. Woo. Takkan nak tukar kabel terus. Dia release macam you buka sikit sudah makan.
Dah.
Ah?
Ni ya. Eja full ah.
Ah?
Bajau.
Ya lo. So kasih dekat lah, yalah. Tapi boleh tu release ah, jangan release sikit sudah makan. Kan saya punya CB kan you buka.
Lepas sikit so jalan.
Ha?
Lepas sikit so jalan.
Ah. So tak maulah macam lepas sikit buka. Kena lepas banyak lah. Nak adjust mah.
Wah, mana laju oh. Ayah, screw patah memang loh. Ini hasilnya. Beda dia.
Kalau ini banyak keras ah, boleh kasih licin sikit lah, WD-40. Betul lah cakap. Dia macam tak smooth tau. Tak apa, nanti you test right, you tengok sendiri, you rasa sendiri like, paha ni macam
Penat lah tangan.
oi, penat loh. Saya rasa saya tak fikir pun tak ada penasaran.
Dua pun patah. Kalau saya apa dah lo? Ini mau keluar. Apa kayak?
Tengok ini smooth je. Tapi ini walau macam
So apa lama mesti lo.
oh,
Abang, ini motor baru leh. Lu motor lama leh.
Oh,
pai wah.
baik wah. Mau dah pe ah.
Yang ni.
Ah, dia kata
Dia macam keras.
keras kabel.
Oh, kabel lah. Mahal tak kabel?
Tak mahal tu lah. Paling mahal kat Sumba 100 lebih ni kabel lah.
Cibai tak mahal satu le.
Sumba yang original 100 lebih lah. Paling mahal lah.
Oh, serius ah?
Ah.
25 kabel 100 lebih. Gila.
Ah, itu panggil mahal lah.
Tak mahal lah.
Saya tengok murah tau. Dah. Tahu hari tu kita beli itu apa? Heavy Davidson punya total grip saja.
Abang, Harley Davidson lu jangan.
Oh, heavy Davidson.
Ya Allah.
Handle grip saya 300 lebih lah.
300 lebih murah lah. Lu tahu dia kasih saya satu lagi ah. 1,000 lebih ah.
Section tak sama. Section tak sama, panjang tak sama.
So itu kabel mau order lama lah, mau tunggu.
Oh, dah.
I tanya dulu.
Nanti lah, nak order kan sampai tablet call. Last week. Oh, tablet.
Itu customer dengar 1,000 lebih.
Tak adalah, kalau mau order tu tak apalah, lama sangat.
Dengar melaju kecil. Itu pun modify main motor tau ah.
Walau kau
Itu
so.
lu tengok itu handle besar kan. Itu lah.
Gila.
Ya. Dia beli itu total grip. Tak ada tangan itu handle besar lebar mah.
Cisin.
Tak ada cincin lah. Jauh lebih mata tak lah.
Yalah.
Oh, cantik.
Yalah mau cantik. Yalah yau chin chum botak lah, ngo chi tau.
網站1分錢一個磅，一磅2兩。嗰個係我哋搞細輝，
Ah.
都覺得就係攞命。好撚粗啊！
Ni owner dia. Domina 250.
Oh, ada. Ada. Yang balon untuk helmet ni kan. Kau tengok bukan balon helmet. Tadi kepala lah. Ya.
Okay, safe ride bro. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Mantap.